Welcome to today's news.
Coal India Limited, a Schedule A Maharatna public sector undertaking under Ministry of Coal, Government of India with corporate headquarters at Kolkata, is the single largest coal producing company in the world, contributing around 79% of the total coal production in India. It is one of the largest corporate employers of the country with manpower of 2.25 lakhs approximately. Coal India Limited invite application from interested candidates through online application mode for the post of management trainee in E2 grade in different disciplines. The selection will be based on computer-based test. Vacancy details: community development 20 numbers, environment 20, finance 103, legal 18, marketing and sales 25, material management 44, personnel and HR 97, security 31, and call preparation 68 numbers. Important dates to remember: opening date for online registration of application January 15, 2025, 10 am. Last date of online submission of the application form February 14, 2025, 6 pm. Important notes: the date of CBT will be intimated through the admit card for CBT. Admit card will be available for downloading through individual login portal. Detailed instruction available on page of login portal on CIL website with www.coalindia.in may please be referred at the time of applying online. Applicants are also advised to check the website periodically for update related to the recruitment as all the notices, selection list, etc. will be uploaded only on CIL website under the tabs Career with CIL. Candidates in their own interest are advised not to wait till the last date, time and register. Submit their application well within time. CIL shall not be held responsibilities if the candidates are unable to submit their application due to last minute rush or any network other problems in submission of online application. Candidates should read the instruction in the advertisement carefully before making any entry or selecting option for filling online application. For all disciplines except personnel and HR, candidates who have obtained their qualification through online, correspondence or part-time course or open and distance learning mode are allowed to apply provided the qualification is recognized by the relevant statutory bodies for employment to posts and services of the central government except for personnel and HR discipline. However, in environment, coal preparation and material management disciplines, the engineering degree should be of full-time regular course only. The candidate should upload supporting documents for this along with experience certificate as a merged PDF file in login portal while submitting his application, failing which his candidature will not be considered. The minimum qualifying marks for general, OBC, economically weaker section category candidates are 60%. For SC/ST and persons with disability candidates, minimum qualifying marks is 55%. After giving relaxation of 5%, in case of CGPA, GPA conversion in percentage certificate issued by University Institute should be attached without fail. However, marksheet of the candidates sharing CGPA to percentage conversion formula is acceptable and same can be uploaded. For the purpose of calculating The aggregate final marks, the aggregate marks of all years, semesters, trimesters would be taken. Rounding of percentage will not be acceptable under any circumstances, and 60% of marks and above will only be considered. That is, even 59.99% will not be treated as eligible. Selection process. Selection will be based on the marks obtained in the computer-based online test only. The details regarding the date of CBT will be intimated through the admit card for CBT. The admit card will be available for downloading through individual login portal of the candidates, and no interview will be held for final selection. Before applying, the candidates should ensure that they fulfill all the eligibility criteria. Admission to computer-based online test will be purely provisional. If shortlisted, candidature will be subject to verification of details, documents, and if at any stage it is found that candidates have submitted false information, fabricated document, suppressed any fact, or does not fulfill minimum eligibility criteria, his candidature will be cancelled without any further reference. Test cities. The computer-based online test will be held at test cities as mentioned in the online application. Candidates may opt for 3 test cities in order to preference, and the same cannot be changed after the online form is submitted. CIL reserves the right to allocate any test city other than the test city opted by their candidate. CIL reserves the right to add or delete any cities from the list based on the number of applicants. Computer-based online test. The duration of computer-based online test will be for 3 hours, consisting of 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2, of 100 marks each. Paper 1 will consist of general knowledge, awareness, reasoning, numerical ability, and general English, and paper 2 will consist of professional knowledge with 100 multiple choice questions in each paper. Each question will carry 1 mark and there is no penalty for wrong answer. No mark will be awarded for unattempted questions. The question paper shall be bilingual, that is in English and Hindi only. Application fee. Candidates belonging to General, OBC, EWS category are required to pay a non-refundable fee of ₹1,000 plus applicable GST ₹180, totaling ₹1,180. SC/ST, PWBD candidates, employees of Coal India Limited and its subsidiaries are exempted from payment of application fee. Application fee will be paid through online mode only. There will be no other mode of payment of application fee. Upper age limit. The upper age limit is 30 years as on 30 September 2024 for general and EWS category candidates. Compensation or pay. Selected candidates will be placed as management trainee in E2 grade in the scale of pay of ₹50,000 to 1,60,000 at the initial basic of ₹50,000 per month during the training period. On successful and satisfactory completion of 1 year training period and passing the test conducted for the purpose, regularization will be in E3 grade in the scale of pay of ₹60,000 to 1,80,000 at the initial basic of ₹60,000 with probation for 1 year if not extended. Besides basic pay, candidates will also be entitled to dearness allowance (HRA) and allowances under cafeteria approach and other allowances including performance-related pay as applicable for the post. Benefits such as leave, medical facilities, CMPF, CMPS gratuity, CIL executive, defined contribution, pension scheme, etc. will be admissible as per extant rules of the company. How to apply? The candidates shall apply through online mode available on CIL website www.coalindia.in only under career with CIL jobs at Coal India section as per the qualification and eligibility criteria indicated above. While applying online, candidates need to upload copies of the self-attested documents. Please note that scanned documents should be clear and legible, failing which candidature may be cancelled. Digital or scanned copy of the recent passport size color photograph not older than 3 weeks in JPEG format. Scanned copy of signature with black ink pen in JPEG format. Important information regarding recruitment will be available in Coal India Limited website only, and as such, candidates are advised to visit the same frequently. Responsibility of receiving, downloading and printing of the admit card, information, communication, etc. will be of the candidates. Official website https://www.coalindia.in. Application link https://digiarm.com/eforms/configured html/1228/92240/index.html.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.